Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. In this time, I made a new course, Solidworks Motion Study. This course reference from this book. The first video we will study about Standart Mate. And if you like to make a machine, you can buy my machine concept in Lynk ID. Link in description. Without wasting time, let's start it. Now we have 4 parts. Active Mate. In Standart Mate, we have 8 mate type: coincident, parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric, log, distance, and angle. Let's try coincident. Click this face and this face. See? Before we continue to next mate, this is tip for you. You don't need to open this feature. Just do like this. Do like this. You just need click this face and this face, and the mate parameter will go out. Just click what do you want, like this, coincident. See? Now go to mate feature again. Let's try a parallel. Click this face and this face. See? This face and this face parallel. And let's try to perpendicular. Undo. Click active perpendicular. Click this face and this face. See? This face and this face is perpendicular. Or you can do like this. Let's try this face and this face. See? This face and this face perpendicular. Now let's try tangent feature. Click tangent. Click this face, especially in this radius, right? And click this face. See? See? We will do like this, the part. And now let's try a concentric. Just click this face and this face. See? This for circle part, like this. See? And let's try a lock. The lock function to make the part don't move, like this. See? The part not move. And now go to mate again. Let's try distance mate. Click this face and this face. Make the distance parameter is 10 mm. See? Or maybe 20 mm. You can change the direction like this. See? Maybe 40 mm. See? And click OK. Now we try angle mate. Click this face and this face. My angle radius is 45 degree. Check flip dimension like this and change this. See? Now the radius is 45 degree and click OK. See? That all is a Standart Mate. I think that is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. The next video tutorial, we will study Advanced Mate. See, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mate type, and we will study Advanced Mate in next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.